Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. In this video we're going to review and detail this Wi-Fi touch switch, light touch switch. Over the other toggle switch you can just touch on, off, easy. We will go over to this Wi-Fi switch and the detail. This Wi-Fi smart switch you can buy from eBay or from Amazon about like $25 to $30. When you open the box, inside the box you will get light switch. Just touch on and off. Have a glass panel on it. And behind the switch you have 4 terminals, 4 screws. So the first one say N is for neutral. This one have a ground sign, is like chassis ground. Out, go to the light bulb or fan, whatever you want to control. And L, this one line wire goes over here. You also get the instruction manual. Follow the instruction manual. You can scan this code and you can QR code and you can install app, or you can search for Smart Life app to control from your smartphone or through the Alexa to set up. Also you get 2 wire, green and white wire. You get 2 screws to tight this switch to electrical gang box, and also you will get the faceplate. This faceplate, after you install, it simply goes on top. So according to the functionality, this Wi-Fi switch you can install, and first over the other toggle switch you can just touch on, touch off. From your cell phone you can also control this switch locally or remotely from anywhere. Also you can set up like a time. You can set up some function like timer, what time you want to be turned on, turn off. So I have installed this switch already. I'm pretty happy, and this Wi-Fi light and this round sign is always light. Even there's dark, you still can see this switch to touch. So it's like you can touch over here, really good. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. I can answer. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like my video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.